My Best Tier List by Daddy Cheese. By the way, I'm not obsessed with Thomas the Tank Engine. Number 1. Thomas and Friends Movies. Number 2. Shrek Ever After. Thomas the Tank Engine. Number 2 again. Number 3. Puss in Boots: The Last Wish. Thanks for watching.
Been a long time friend. Remember when we used to play with each other? Ayo. The laughs we had, the tears we sharled, when you used to do what I say. But that's in the past, isn't it? You have no worth to me then. It's time.
Do not be afraid, my child. Your guardian angel is here and killed Thomas. Now, let's get some McDonald's, shall we?
Then they got McDonald's.